Welcome to Washboardjim's Options Challenge, and today we're going to talk about a stock called Tesla. This challenge is going to be held live on YouTube, and it starts right when the market opens to when it closes. I'm very transparent with my trades. I also talk about support levels, pivot points, and resistance levels, and I discuss chart patterns throughout the day as the scanner spits out alerts to us. Also have an outstanding watch list that I follow, and I could just trade off that watch list, but I'm very transparent in my trades through this challenge, and I brought it from $1,000 all the way up to $6,500. My next goal is to make it to 10. Once I make it to 10, I think I'm sure that I can make it to 100,000. So it'll be live every day from when the market opens to when it closes. We're going to go ahead and get right into Tesla. And also, the government came out. I think they're wanting to go ahead and do some things about the fire that happened and tragic loss of life with the accident. And also, Joe Biden came out with his new tax plan to pick up on the wealthy, to pick on them, and it sure has got the market scared yesterday when he came out with it. So it's all news and it's all fluff to me, because I don't think he can get away with that kind of tax plan unless he has control of the Senate and the Congress. But I think there will even be some Democrats that will probably disagree with that, because that's what makes this economy move, is the wealthy. And we sit here and we make a lot of money trying to trade, and I do little by little, and when the market is red, in most cases I am green. So we'll go ahead and get right into the chart. Remember, this is Washboardjim's Options Challenge live, and I charted this up already, and I'm going to go ahead and post the 20-day 1 hour. This is my SMA chart. I have the 200, I also have the 50, I have the 21, and then I have the 9 EMA. The 9 EMA keeps me in the trend. This is the yearly chart, and we did cross over yesterday. We have crossed over the 9 over the 50. But we're going to pull this up to the 20-day 1 hour. And I do believe that we've held this 200 for the last 4 days pretty well. We've been bullish ever since, and I think we're ready for a pullback. But in those lower support levels, the pivot point on this 20-day 1 hour chart is right here at 712.26. So that's your pivot point area, and we have kind of a little channel in that pivot point. Your first support below that pivot point is going to be 702.33, 693.77, and 686.23 for a very strong buy, with a low support, if drama does hit, down here no lower than that 673.22. Now the resistance levels to break, I'm going to magnify this up a little bit. I think we can get up here and try to break this resistance right around 730, but that first one's at 725.28. The second one's going to be right here at 730.08, 737.27, and then that strong, hard resistance up here at 743.78. With anything beyond it is gift. But I think we're going to pull back a little bit more. We'll just have to see how the market opens, and I'll be watching this first thing out of the gate. My two major trades is that and BABA. I'll also be watching BABA. BABA kind of pulled back to my support area right around the 230. I do have a lower support level on it, and we'll go ahead and talk about it right now too, because I'll be looking at both of these first thing in the morning. And this is my BABA chart. It's all cleared up for us. We're looking at the 20-day 1 hour. We do have a low support, strong support right in here, right around the 227.75 area. That's going to be the pivot point in this little channel right in here. We did have a little box that I was talking about. I took this right here the last time I traded this down here at the double bottom, right here at 222. Woke up the next morning, scalped it got out of the trade for $1,000. Ever since then, we've kind of had a downtrend from that huge break, and I think we found that pivot point on that 20-day 1 hour. So we can come back up here and touch this 200 again. This is the 200 SMA on the 20-day 1 hour and double top, or we could pull back to lower support and have a double bottom between in this channel between 226.52 and 227.75. The first support that we need to hold is going to be right here at the 229.29 area. And as you can see on the 20-day, we are rubbing up against that 50 SMA and a little bit under that 21. So it's going to be determined. If we come in this morning and this thing starts to pull back a little bit, I'm definitely going to be looking to get in this trade. And I want to raise the bar up on this at 226.52. My low support was at 222. We hit that. I took the trade. I ran it up. But I want to raise the bar up a little bit. I think about $4 is excellent. This will be a strong buy at 226.52, 227.75 with that first support right here at 229.29. Resistance to break is going to be right up in here, right around the 230.35. Then we've got a long resistance right up in here, right around the 232.61 with a double top break right here at 233.62. If we do hit that 200 and it shows some resistance level, we could pull back into the channel. Now I'm going to bring this to the 5-minute, 5-day, and I want to see if I can find something in here for my first support level, first resistance level, and that's going to be right there at 231.29. So here we are. We've got that pivot point channel right in here between 229.29 and 230, and if we can break that, we'll run it back up to that 200-day on the 20-minute, 1 hour, and that's going to be right up here, right like I said, right around the 233.62 level. And that's it for Washboard Jim's Options Challenge. Follow me. This will be live on YouTube, and I'm very transparent in this challenge, and you'll be seeing my entries and my exit points. And I want to wish everybody a great day, and let's do it.